check whether the following are quadratic equations. In this question, we are given 8 equations where we need to check if each of them is a quadratic equation. Answer: an equation is said to be a quadratic equation if it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. In simple words, if the largest power of x in the equation is 2, then it is a quadratic equation. First problem: x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Expand the left and right hand side terms. X plus 1 whole square can be written as x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. We have just used a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now on the right hand side, 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 2 times x minus 2 times 3. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. We can cancel the 2x on the LHS and RHS and bring minus 6 from RHS to the LHS side. X square plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Now this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, not equal to 0. Therefore, this is a quadratic equation. Or you can say that the highest power of variable x is 2. Therefore, the given equation x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3 is a quadratic equation. Second problem: x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. Left hand side is already expanded. Now let us expand the right hand side term. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 times 3 minus 2 times x. X square minus 2x is equal to minus 6 plus 2x. Bring the right hand side terms to the left hand side. Then it becomes x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x is equal to 0. Minus 2x is minus 4x. Therefore, x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, not equal to 0. Therefore, this is a quadratic equation. The highest power of variable x is 2. Problem 3. X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Let us simplify the LHS and RHS. X into x plus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 3 minus 1 into x plus 3. X into x plus 1 is minus 2 times of x plus 1 is minus 2x minus 2. X of x plus 3 is x square plus 3x. Minus 1 of x plus 3 is minus x minus 3. X minus 2x is minus x. Therefore, it is x square. X minus 2x is minus x. Then we have minus 2. And on the right hand side, x square. 3x minus x is 2x minus 3. Now bring RHS terms to the LHS. X square minus x minus 2 minus of x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus x minus 2. Now let us expand the term in the parenthesis. Minus x square minus 2x minus into minus 3 is plus 3 is equal to 0. In the equation we have x square and minus x square, which become 0, and minus x and minus 2x become minus 3x, minus 2 and plus 3 becomes plus 1. Therefore the equation becomes minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is 0. Therefore this is not a quadratic equation. In the final equation minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, the highest power of variable x is 1, not 2. Therefore given equation is not a quadratic equation. Problem 4. X minus 3 of 2x plus 1 is equal to x of x plus 5. Simplify both LHS and RHS. X of 2x plus 1 minus 3 of 2x plus 1 is equal to, expand the right hand side term. X into x is x square plus x into 5 is 5x. Now on the left hand side, x into 2x is 2x square plus x into 1 is x. Then minus 3 into 2x is minus 6x and minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. On the right hand side as is x square plus 5x. Now bring RHS to the LHS side. 2x square, x minus 6x becomes minus 5x, minus 3 is as is, and when we bring RHS to the LHS it becomes minus of x square plus 5x is equal to 0. Now let us remove the parenthesis and give the negative sign to the inner terms. 2x square minus 5x minus 3a, minus of x square is minus x square, minus of 5x is minus 5x, and is equal to 0. Let us simplify. 2x square minus x square becomes x square, and minus 5x and minus 5x becomes minus 10x, and minus 3 remains as is. Therefore the final equation is x square minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. The highest power of variable x in this equation is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Problem number 5. 2x minus 1 of x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 of x minus 1. Let us simplify the LHS and RHS terms. LHS becomes 2x into 2x of x minus 3 minus 1 of x minus 3 is equal to, RHS becomes x of x minus 1 plus 5 of x minus 1. Let us expand the first term. 2x into x is x square, 2x into minus 3 is minus 6x, and then minus 1 of x minus 3. Minus 1 into x is minus x, minus 1 into minus 3 is plus 3. On the right hand side, x of x minus 1. X into x is x square, x into minus 1 is minus x, and then 5 into x minus 1. 5 into x is 5x, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Let us simplify the terms. 2x square minus 6x and minus x becomes minus 7x plus 3 is equal to x square minus x and plus 5x become 4x and then minus 5. Now bring all the terms on the right hand side to the left hand side. 2x square minus 7x plus 3a minus half all the right hand side terms, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now expand the parenthesis. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 minus of x square minus 4x minus of minus 5 is plus 5 is equal to 0. Now let us simplify the terms. 2x square minus x square is x square, minus 7x and minus 4x becomes minus 11x, plus 3 and plus 5 becomes plus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, the final equation is x square minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0. The highest power of variable x is 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Problem 6. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Now simplify the RHS side, which is in the form a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square, which becomes RHS becomes x square minus 4x plus 4. Now bring RHS to the LHS side. X square plus 3x plus 1 minus of x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now expand the parenthesis where we have a negative sign in front of it. X square plus 3x plus 1 minus of x square is minus x square, minus of minus 4x is plus 4x, minus of plus 4 is minus 4. Now we have x square and minus x square, which become 0. And 3x plus 4x becomes 7x, and plus 1 and minus 4 become minus 3. Therefore, the final equation is 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. The highest power of variable x in this equation 7x minus 3 is equal to 0 is 1, not 2. Therefore, this equation is not a quadratic equation. Problem 7. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x of x square minus 1. Now expand both LHS and RHS. LHS is of the form a plus b whole cube. Now the formula for a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Therefore, x plus 2 whole cube becomes x cube plus 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square plus 2 cube, which is equal to x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8. X square plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 is equal to 2x of x square minus 1. Let us expand the RHS term. 2x into x square is 2x cube. 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. Now let us bring the terms on the RHS to the LHS. X cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus of 2x cube minus 2x is equal to 0. Now let us expand the parenthesis that has a negative sign before it. X cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus of 2x cube is minus 2x cube minus of minus 2x is plus 2x is equal to 0. Now let us simplify the terms. X cube minus 2x cube is minus x cube, 6x square, and then 12x plus 2x, and then we have 8 plus 8 is equal to 0. The highest power of the variable x in the equation is 3, not 2. Therefore, this is not a quadratic equation. Problem number 8. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. RHS is of the form a minus b whole cube. The formula for a minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Therefore, x minus 2 whole cube can be written as x cube minus 3x square into 2 plus 3x into 2 square minus 2 cube, which is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. We have computed the RHS term. Let us use it in the given equation. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. Now bring RHS to the LHS side. x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 minus of x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now let us expand the terms in the parentheses. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 minus of x cube is minus x cube minus of minus 6x square is plus 6x square minus of 12x is minus 12x minus of minus 8 is plus 8 is equal to 0. Now we have x cube and minus x cube in the equation, which become 0, and then we have minus 4x square plus 6x square, which becomes 2x square. Minus x and minus 12x become minus 13x, and then we have 1 and 8, which become 9. Therefore the final equation is 2x square minus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now the highest power of variable x in this equation is 2. Therefore this is a quadratic equation.